your value should be -1, and then your y value here is going to be multiplied by 3. So that been multiplied by 3, right? So that's going to be -3, and then this one is still 0 times 3 is still 0. Okay, let's plot that. So at 0, 0, it's the same thing, but at pi over 2, this is at 3 instead. And then at pi, that's back to 0. And then at 3 pi over 2, this is going to be -3. And then at 2 pi, this is going to be 0. So that is like this. Here we go. So what does it mean here? So this means if this one is been multiplied by 3, you're gonna have a vertical scratch, right? So you scratch like this. Okay, I don't know if you can see my hands like this, right? You go this way. So vertical, right? So you vertical scratch like this. Okay. So as you can see, this one, the first one here, your amplitude here is only 1. Right, so that the height from the ground to the highest point, from the ground to the lowest point is only 1 unit. But if you look at the one we just graph, the y equal to 3 sign here, your amplitude is going to be 3. So from the ground to the highest point, that's 3 unit, and from the ground to the lowest point here, that's also 3 unit. So that is your amplitude. Okay, so what is my amplitude here for this one? So you can see that your amplitude here is going to be 3. All right. So your amplitude here is going to be 3. All right. And they asking you what's the range. So again, the range is, the minimum, comma, the maximum. That's the range. So if you do that, the lowest point, we talk about this function, okay? So the lowest point here is going to be -3, and the maximum here, that's going to be 3, okay? So what's the period of this one? So the period of this one, as you can see, we just do one normal cycle. So we start from 0 to 2 pi. So 0 to 2 pi. All right. And then the next topic is how to identify the amplitude and what is your amplitude going to do to your graph, right? So here they told you this, okay? I told you this. You know what? I think I'm gonna stop the lecture today. As you know that today is Friday and we only have 1 hour for the lecture. So I'm going to stop here, and then we continue on Monday. So I'm gonna keep posting the lecture on Monday, and we'll give you homework also, and we're gonna talk about how are we gonna do on the test. Okay, I will keep update for you guys. Okay, so yeah, so I see you guys on Monday. Okay.